Healthometer Professional's acute care scales are engineered with a purpose: to improve workflow while keeping patients and caregivers safe. Our wall-mounted wheelchair scale features smart, practical innovations from top to bottom. This easy-to-install scale has a remarkably low profile, extending just 3.5 inches from the wall when the platform is raised. That can make a big difference in small spaces. And although the platform's capacity is a generous 1,000 pounds, it's well-balanced and free of the typical pinch points, thanks to the recessed handle. The scale accommodates standard and bariatric wheelchairs and is available in a kilograms-only configuration. Slip-resistant dual ramps have raised edges for patient safety and are gently sloped to provide easy on and off transfers, while conforming to ADA guidelines. Patients are more comfortable and caregivers work with greater confidence. Another innovation designed for smarter operation: a positionable display that can be mounted where it makes the most sense, at eye level, on either side of the scale, or even on a table. The high-contrast color display has a user-friendly interface displaying BMI, reweigh, recall, tear, pre-tear, auto zero for consistent accuracy, pound-kilogram conversion, and lockout. And our exclusive Everlock function allows the measuring unit to be permanently locked on the scale. The scale connects directly to popular vital sign monitors, computers, EMR applications, and other electronic devices to instantly record patient information. Data transfer is seamless with available wired or wireless connectivity. Surfaces are antimicrobial, and the scale is engineered for easy maintenance, improving safety and workflow, even when it's stowed away. Supported by our distribution partners, the Healthometer wall-mounted wheelchair scale is easy to order and arrives quickly. And our network of more than 120 local field specialists and representatives offer unparalleled support across the globe. Discover more about Healthometer Professional's wall-mounted wheelchair scale at homscales.com.